Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you ladies. Just wanted to share with you guys a big snack that I'm going to consume right now. This is, I'm going to eat all of this. Um, Nothing but fruit. I don't know if I'm going to eat all of this, but I'm going to try. Um, this may be my dinner. I don't know if I might do a salad. I don't know, but I know this is late to be eating all this fruit. But what's in here? I have two bananas. I know somebody wants to say something out there, but this is good for me. I have some Florida mangoes. My husband brought home some raisins. I put a little cinnamon in here, a little splash of the real raw agave nectar I talked about in a video, and I put a little Florida avocado, just a little bit. That's a slice. You'll see a couple slices here and there. These are the green avocados. If you ladies be interested in some Florida avocados, they're different, a little different. They come in different shapes and all of that. Let me know. We can discuss um, me getting some out. I don't know if I mentioned to you, I put cinnamon on it. Mmm, cinnamon and banana. Yummy. Yum. Mmm, that's a good little combination there. But anyway, this is a snack or a meal. It's not a snack. This is going to pull me up and this is going to make me go to the mm-hmm, ladies' room. Some people might say the bananas, but the mango, mm-hmm, and the raisins, all this goodness in here. So yeah. Mmm, and oranges. I'm sorry, I forgot about the oranges. But this is it. This is so good. Mhm. Oh, the little raisins just give it a little pizzazz in it. You really don't need no agave in this. Mm-mm-mm. This is good. I highly recommend cinnamon. But this is it. It's not all neatly done or whatever, but mm, mm-mm-mm. Fruits. Thank you guys for watching. 1,000 roses to you. Be blessed.